My favorite songs are the Yiddish songs. I was just listening it coming up here, and I have him roughly translate for me, so I become familiar with the words and I can sing along with the songs, you know. And with that, he gives me the flavor, not just the word. You know, I have a favorite song. It's Yas, and Dudu Fisher sings it. And I just love that song. It's so beautiful. And he tells me it's about a little town, Yas. And I said, can you imagine the love and the voice for a little town where they eked out a living and it was around them, surrounded by enemies, and yet they have this, they can sing about their songs, about their little towns with such love. And it's not the earth, it's not the town, it's the community, you know. I said, could you imagine ever singing Sharon, about Sharon or Easton? I said, forget it, it's not the same, it's not the same. It was that communal togetherness that whatever they had to go through, they go through, you know, and that, but they do it together. And that's what the Yiddish is, it's binding.